Today I am going to tell you about macro, what is macro and what are its significance. A macro is an action or a set of actions that we can record, give a name, save and run as many times as we want and whenever we want. Another important point about macro is it helps us to save time on repetitive tasks involved in data manipulation and data reports that are required to be done frequently. Now, I am going to illustrate a practical example of daily work involved using macro. Let us see. Our problem is A1 and A2 are two cells having the given value as 56 and 64 respectively. To determine the summation of these two numbers, we have to create a macro using macro recorder. Now the macro is constructed in such a way that it will always calculate the sum of any two consecutive cells present in any row or column of a worksheet. Firstly, input 56 in cell A1 and 64 in cell A2. Next, locate the mouse pointer on View ribbon under Macro group and click on Record Macro button under Macros drop-down menus. Now the macro dialog box opens and enter the macro name in macro name text box. Next, let's assign some shortcut keyboard stroke. Suppose the keyboard shortcut used here is Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Now the macro starts its recording and we have to now enter the formula in cell A3, and for this we have to type A3 is equal to A1 plus A2 and press the enter key. This gives the summation of two consecutive cells, that is A1 and A2 in cell A3. Next step, we have to locate the mouse pointer on View ribbon under Macro group and click on Stop Recording under Macros drop-down menus. Now the macro will stop its recording. Then our next step is under any two column, select two cells. Suppose we have selected here C1 and C2 cell and then type the value as 90 and 10 respectively. Then we press the keyboard shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus S together after placing the mouse pointer on C3 cell. This displays the result of the addition of the two numbers of C1 and C2 cell in cell C3 shown. This shows that the recording of macro by using recorder is successful for the addition of any two adjacent cells by pressing the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus Shift plus S assigned for the macro named as macro 1.
Running in circles, never leave me alone. Say I don't answer the messages, I pick up my phone. Say we are